Hi everybody, I'm your Cube is Solvable, and first off, I would like to apologize about the cropping last video. I just did not realize how much the camera lens can actually see. So, I mean, even now I'm probably gonna have to crop it, so I will have to figure out a way to get that fixed. But for now, I put the camera closer to the floor, so hopefully that helps a bit. So today, I am going to get into the first steps of solving a cube. Now, the first step I'm going to talk about in this video is the cross. And this is actually, you will use this for both CFOP and beginner. So it doesn't matter if you're here for beginner or CFOP, the cross is part of both of that. So you can see it's got scrambled here. And the cross is basically being able to get all of the white edges, not only up here, up on this face, facing up, and also connected with the edges here. So as you can see, I have a white edge here, but it is not connected to this. So I can't consider that solved. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be solving it with a white cross. Some people start off learning it with a blue cross or an orange cross. It just depends on who you ask. Some people were even able to become color neutral, so that means they'll just be able to look at the cube. They're like, hey, these, like, oh, hey, this certain face has a better cross than the other ones. I can just do that. Fortunately, I'm not there yet, so I will have to continue going on with that. So, the perfect cross will have 8 moves or less. So that is always what you are hoping for. If you don't get 8 moves or less, that is okay. It's just, you have to try and get somewhere between that. Don't worry about the corners because you don't want to worry about the corners yet because you're simply just not doing those yet. You will do them later. So you can see, we can just move that, and now it is connected. And let's look around and let's see. Well, we already have this green front and center already there, so we can just attach that. And let's see, we have a blue here and a red here. So I can simply just put that right there, put that down, and bam. And this is the cross. Now the cross is completely solved. If that felt like it went fast, don't worry, I'm going to have some more tips. Well, the first tip is don't worry about the corners right here because, like I said before, you're going to be doing those later. So, let's see. I have these two here, so I can just move that over. That's all these two. See, green goes over here. So move that, and luckily that put the orange in place, so I can just bam, cross it off. The cross is generally pretty easy. Most people, if you hand them a cube, they'll be able to solve the cross, if nothing else. And if you can't yet, don't worry. You just have to keep practicing a little bit and you will get there, just trust me. Also, even if you've done this for a bit and you still have bad crosses, don't worry, that happens to me too. I average around 33 seconds, I would say, solving the whole cube, and I've had times where I spend over 40 seconds just looking for the last 1 or 2 pieces. So don't worry if you can't. It will take a few times. I still think even probably the best cubers out there, I mean, everybody makes mistakes, so that's okay. If you can't find an edge, like I said, just ignore it and continue on. So, well, hold on, here, let me see if I can get it. Alright, let's say here. I have these 2 corners, and then I have this corner, or sorry, edges. I have these 2 edges right here, and that's good because, as you can see, blue and green are opposites. And so that'll be nice. I just have to do 1 and 2, and they're fixed. Now let's keep looking. So I have this orange one right here, but I don't know where the red one is, and that's okay. So I can do is just solve what I have right now. I just insert that piece right there, and oh look, here's the red piece right here. So I can just simply insert that. And I feel like this is going a bit fast, so if you feel like it's going too fast, leave a comment and I will try and make a slower video on this. But like I said before, the cross is pretty simple. There's no algorithms for it. I'm sure you can find one for cases online if you want to have that muscle memory. I don't recommend doing that, as that means you will have to spend even like a fraction of a second having to recognize it. So that is pretty much all there is to the cross. Yeah. So if you liked this video, if you felt like it helped you, then please leave a like so I know. If this does not help you, or if you feel like something is weird or missing, then please let me know. Leave a dislike so I can check that out. If you have a friend who likes cubes and you think that they might want to get into this, please share this with them. If you like this and you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do. Like I said, I will be putting out these videos. I'll try and do them I say every day, but it's probably gonna be more like every 2 to 3 days maybe, because I still have schoolwork and all of that. My social media is below. I'll be linking my Instagram and my Snapchat below if you would like to follow that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.